Hello everyone. Have you noticed this yellow exclamation mark on your mic and camera in Google Meet? In this video I will show you how to fix this. To fix the yellow exclamation mark on your mic, click on your mic and select use microphone. Then choose allow while visiting this site. Next, click on the yellow mark showing on the camera. Select use camera, then choose allow while visiting the site. Now your mic and camera will work normally in the meeting. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.